Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, although I will say a relatively tricky chart to talk about from a presentation standpoint because there is a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you were some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 25 minutes, well, from that point of view, the chart looks not so good. Now, if you care about the things from the bigger picture point of view, yeah, I understand. From the highs, there has been a larger pullback, but from the big picture, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed, just higher bases being put into play over extended periods of time, and that's going to be the viewpoint that I talk about things from. And really, to best illustrate what I mean by this is let's just get this overall trend line in play right here, and also let me change that from red to green to represent more of a positive thing here. And you can see here that the trend is still completely up over the past few weeks. Ever since the price, hit that bottom point right there on the 27th, the price has been slowly creeping upwards. Now, of course, there's been pullbacks along the way, but with each pullback, the trend has maintained itself. So again, that's why I say from the grand scheme of things, everything is still perfectly fine. But again, I do realize that if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well then yeah, you probably don't care about that trend line at all. But assuming you do care about the big picture point of view, that trend line is still fully intact. And as long as the price stays above there, then by default, that is, keeping the chart in an overall uptrend. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, main level to watch if there is any sort of attempted movement back upwards, going to be right up there at the 82-cent mark. So keep your eye on 82 cents. But again, as far as the grand scheme of things is concerned, stay above that trend line. And overall, the trend that is implying the trend remains in the bull's favor. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.